Established in 2014, Beijing Sanhe Tech Company specialized in advanced laser and intense light technology in medical and beauty industry, like 808 nanometer diode laser, picosecond, muscle stimulator, CO2 fractional laser, fractional RF, DPL, IPL series, SHR, HIFU, and hair regrowth laser, etc. Our products are highly effective, safe, and easy to use. We are committed to continuously to strive to be best manufacturer and provide best service and quality to customers. We have sold our products to worldwide. For example, America, Australia, Spain, Korea, Japan, Russia, India, Dubai. Beijing Sanhe Tech Company, located in Maohua Industry, Beijing, China. Our head office, 1,500 square meters, and cooperative factory, 10,000 square meters, include about 100 staffs, workshop, R&D, after-service, logistics. Specially, we make a well-organized and innovative R&D team to provide OEM, ODM, training, technology support, and maintenance all-round service. To ensure that our products are truly world-class, safe, and effective, all products are designed and manufactured strictly in accordance with CE certification request. Keep leading in technology, and service is always our aim. Your trust and support make us success. Our capable R&D team will continue to develop more products for our distributors and partners. Beijing Sanhe Tech Company will work hard constantly for supplying best product and after-sale service.